Hey guys, today I'm just going to show you how to reset the service and inspection light on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat with this instrument cluster setup. If you're just doing this as a DIYer or you're a mechanic doing on a customer's car, happy to show you, but please do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it really lets me allow to make more videos like this. So let's do it. Okay, so the first set button here, hold this down, turn the ignition on. That gives you the reset oil service. So you just come down here, hit OK. Now to read the inspection, turn it back off. This time, turn the hazard lights on. So the hazard lights are flashing, and repeat the process. Hold this button down, put the key on, and that time that will give you the inspection, and again, you just hit the OK. To check, scroll across here to the settings menu, and you go down, service, info, and there you have it. It's reset. All done. Thanks guys.